April. The Reserve Bank will remain flexible and responsive towards meeting the productive requirements of the economy. We will conduct operations on either side of the LAF depending on the evolving liquidity conditions. As part of our gradual move towards normalizing liquidity and market operations, it has now been decided to restore market hours for the government securities market to the pre-pandemic timing of 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Moreover, as part of our ongoing endeavor to further develop the government securities market, we propose to permit lending and borrowing of G-SECs. This will provide investors with an avenue to deploy their idle securities, enhance portfolio returns, and facilitate wider participation. This measure will also add depth and liquidity to the G-SEC market, aid efficient price discovery, and work towards a smooth completion of the market borrowing program of the center and the states. The pace of transmission of monetary policy actions to both lending and deposit rates has strengthened in the current tightening cycle. The weighted average lending rate, that is WLR, on fresh rupee loans and outstanding rupee loans. There are two components. One is on the fresh loans that's now being given, and on the outstanding loans, they increased by 137 basis points and 80 basis points respectively during May to December. The weighted average domestic term deposit rate for fresh deposits and outstanding deposits increased by 213 and 75 basis points respectively. The Indian rupee has remained one of the least volatile currencies among its Asian peers in the calendar year 2022 and continues to be so this year also. Similarly, the depreciation and the volatility of the Indian rupee during the current phase of multiple shocks is far lower than what it was during the global financial crisis and the taper tantrum. In a fundamental sense, the movements of the rupee reflect the resilience of the Indian economy. On this matter of volatility and depreciation, I have provided some comparison with other countries, with the Asian peers, as I mentioned, and also I have given a comparison with the scenario which prevailed during the taper tantrum and during the global financial crisis. That is all contained in the footnote of my statement, if those of you who are interested may like to refer to it. I now turn my focus to the external sector. The current account deficit for the first half of 22-23